We're taking a look at the future of the student loan forgiveness plan. Over the weekend, a federal appeals court temporarily blocked the U.S. Department of Education from processing any loan debt, and that is causing uncertainty for the millions of applicants.
But experts say not to panic just yet. Tonight on Your Side's Taylor Levesque is live in our newsroom. And Taylor, what does this mean exactly for those people who've already submitted applications, or maybe they're thinking about submitting the applications?
Yeah, that's right. If eligible, you may have received an email like I did over the weekend encouraging you to apply for student loan debt relief. The White House says the pause of the federal student loan relief program does not affect those who have already applied or are thinking about applying. But this decision causes uncertainty for millions of applicants who were under the impression their student loans will disappear.
My wife is a UNF graduate. She has about $20,000 in student loan debt. She was a Pell Grant recipient, so under this program, if it were to go into effect, we would stand to see most, if not all, of that loan debt forgiven.
The future of the Biden administration's student debt relief forgiveness plan is unknown, following a decision by the U.S. Court of Appeals to pause funds from being released. University of North Florida political science professor Nick Seabrook says the ruling comes as 6 Republican-led states challenge the authority of the Biden administration.
They argue that because the loan forgiveness program was established through an executive order by President Biden, rather than through a law that was passed by Congress, that the administration lacks the legal authority to take the actions that it took.
The Supreme Court has not weighed in on this particular case, but its decision could affect the program's future. Ann Seabrook says eligible borrowers should be worried, but not to panic.
I think people should be worried that there's a decent chance that when this all shakes out, we're going to have a Supreme Court ruling that says that the Biden administration did not have the legal authorization from Congress to put this program in place. The Supreme Court in recent years has been fairly aggressive in scrutinizing some of the actions of the executive branch.
The application is still open, but there is now an advisory at the top of the application making applicants aware that the Department of Education will continue to review applications, but debt discharges cannot be processed. More than 22 million applications have already been submitted. In the newsroom, Taylor Levesque, First Coast News, on your side.